In prime-time news this evening, human rights group rejects proposal for convicted murderers to serve a minimum of 30 years in prison. Party promoters in Westmoreland lament impact on entertainment ahead of Senate vote on extension of the SOE, and more water for Kingston.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the business day. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, it's Wednesday, so you know we have the latest gas prices. I may have some good news for you, so please stick around for that later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. Jermaine Brown, he's also here to tell us what's coming in sports. Jermaine?
Well, thank you, Herman. And, it's all about the World Cup fever. It's on. And another major upset at the tournament in the Middle East in Qatar. And additionally, away from the World Cup, well, groundbreaking research showing that a large percentage of women, their performances increase after pregnancy in sports. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
And news too. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. Do you believe the state of public emergency should be extended? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.